How to download and install the Vita app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and give it a moment to load. Once you are in, tap on the search button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After the search bar appears, type Vita. Make sure you select the correct one, Vita, developed by Snow Corporation. When the app shows up in the result, tap on it to open the app page. Here you will see the install button along with the app details, screenshots and reviews. Tap on install and the download will begin. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds to a minute. After the installation is complete, you will see an open button appear. Tap on it to launch the Vita app immediately. Now you know how to download and install the Vita app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.